Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you simplest way to type in all chat in Valorant on PC. Let's get started. First, open Valorant on a PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, join any match you want, unrated, competitive, spike cross, deathmatch or even a custom game. You must be inside a match to use all chat because it doesn't work from the menu. By default, when you press enter, you are typing to your team only. So if you type something and only your teammates see it, that's normal. To talk to everyone, you have to use the all chat shortcut. Here is the simplest part. To type in all chat, press shift plus enter. This opens a chat box that says all instead of team. Anything you type here will be seen by both your team and the enemy team. After typing in all chat, you can switch back to normal team chat by pressing enter again. If all chat doesn't work, it might be turned off in your settings. Here is how to turn it on. Go to settings. After that, click on controls, then communication. Look for party voice, team voice or all chat. Make sure to enable all chat and that's it. Now you know how to type in all chat in Valorant on PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.